Hello, and welcome to the Alarm Lock YouTube video training series. Now, this series is on the Air Access web-based software. And this session will be on adding personnel using a PIN only. To add an individual that's going to use PIN only, in the Access section under Personnel, you would click on Add Personnel. Here you will add their last name and their first name. And then you will also add the PIN number in the badge number location. Now you will not add a facility code. Okay, so leave the facility code area blank. And then you would fill in the rest of the information. As in my other series on adding personnel or adding badges, if you were to put the PIN code into this section where it says PIN code, that would not allow you to use just a PIN code. This is for the two-factor authentication or PIN and badge. Then you would add the individual to the access group. You would go into the control section and add them into a threat level badge category. Again, I have a video on the series about how to create threat level categories and threat levels. You would put in any other optional information that you want that user to be associated with. And again, you can add a photo for that individual if you would like as well. So once you have their name and their badge number or their PIN number in this case, again, no facility code, leave that blank, and then click Save, and that individual will be added to the locks in the access group or groups that you have assigned them to, and they will be able to use that PIN number. Now, one thing that you need to be aware of also with a PIN number is that you must enter or push the AL button after you enter the PIN number. So in this case, it would be PIN number 4567, then the AL button, and it will allow access. Once you have your personnel created with a PIN only, the last thing that you must do is configure the lock for what we call a common code. Under Configuration and Readers, you would go to the lock that is to be used with PIN only, and you would double click on that lock, on that reader. And then under Door Control, you will change the common code from 0 to FFFF, and then you would create a common code schedule. Click Save, and that will upload the information to the lock. So when a person enters their PIN plus the AL button, the lock will open. Thank you for watching this video. And if you would like to learn more about Air Access or any of the Alarm Lock products, you can always go to the Alarm Lock YouTube page at youtube.com/c/alarmlock.